Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel, checking out another review. Tonight's review isn't going to be beard related, but it's going to be EDC type carry video, if you will. If you guys remember, maybe it was a few months ago, I did a review on Core Essentials. And if you don't know who Core Essentials are, they make the trackline belts, meaning instead of the hook and loop, you got the little tracks on the back side of the belt, it clips. They sent me out a couple items to review for you guys again. One of the reviews I did for them was their EDC carry belt, which is an amazing belt. I've used it several times since the review. When I have my weapon, my firearm on my side or on my backside, this belt is made to withstand a lot of stuff. Even till this day, I actually have it right now. Even to this day, it's just an amazing belt. And the track line, meaning that. And after that review, I have gotten a few requests to do the X6 belt buckle. And the X6 is, of course, a design that Core made. X6 is the design name that they came out with this belt, for this belt buckle. And basically what it looks like is this is the original that came with the belt. As you can see, it's like almost got like a powder coat on top of it. It's a heavy, very durable belt buckle. It's definitely made to withstand some punishment. Really heavy. And if you guys don't or haven't seen how these ratchet belts work, if you can see that little groove right here is what bites onto the track. And once you pop that up, it releases the belt. Actually, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for you real quick. Okay, see on the inside, you put your belt through there, and as you can see, and then once you release it, it releases that little tongue right there, and you can just pop it right off. And the X6 design is an industrial style looking belt buckle, which really it looks impressive. It's got Core on the front of it. It's just a really awesome looking design. And I'll hold it up side by side. Check this out. The X6 would be the one on top, of course. Let's see if I can get this. That way you guys can see the whole thing. I'll hold it by the back side of it. As you guys can see that. I like the honeycomb type design around in the middle right here. And it's got the same finish on it as this one. It's got the Core logo right there. And these are made identical pretty much, but just different. The only thing that's different, as you guys can tell, is obviously the honeycomb being there and this being the solid piece, which I really dig. I got many messages asking about this particular belt buckle to do a review on it, and it's awesome looking. I think it's the same thickness, of course. Maybe it might be a little bit thicker on this part, but that's the X6, the 1.5 inch. And it's what's nice about these, when you go to put these on your belt, let's see, I'll kind of show you on camera here. When you put it through the hole, if you guys can see those two screw tips right here, what those are for is, since it's a carry belt, you get two little set screws that go down into those holes that actually seat up against the belt, making it even tighter. That way it doesn't break loose. You don't have no play in it or anything like that. So it's a really good design. especially if you carry a firearm rather. So it's really good design. But that's not the only thing they sent me. They also sent me their Reckless, what do they call them? Reckless Wayfarer Neo Lock sunglasses. And if you guys remember, I also did I think it was called their Badlands sunglasses. It comes in a case like this, and which is nice because it's wide up top. When you get your sunglasses out, you can actually put this on the bottom of that, and that pretty much fits in any size cup holder, and it's really convenient. And plus this is lined with some kind of felt, so that way you don't scratch your sunglasses, obviously. And of course you get your little rag you wipe your sunglasses off with. And these are tough looking sunglasses. These are like more industrial style looking sunglasses as well. But one thing that I want to mention and I want to point out, these aren't ANSI approved for like tactical use. If you're out to the range or something and you're shooting, these aren't ANSI approved for that situation. They are actually coming out with a tactical pair that's going to be rated for that kind of stuff. But I just wanted to make that clear. But these are like the Badlands. They're just phenomenal sunglasses. They're made very rugged, very they're just well built, well designed. And I don't know if you guys could see that, but these are neodymium magnets. I think I said that right in here, for when you shut and you shut the other one, and you guys can watch, you hear that snap. These are magnetized. So if you guys are the type that you put your sunglasses down in your shirt, obviously, say this part is going down in your shirt and this part is going to go over your shirt, it's going to snap on to the clothing, and you bend down, it's not going to fall out. Even up here in your sleeve, you're going to put it up in your sleeve, it'll do the same thing. And these are very, very comfortable, and they are very, very dark. I'm going to put a couple of steel shots up as I read the specs off for you guys. Neodymium smart magnets embedded inside each arm let you fold and lock glasses to your shirt, jacket, or gear when not in use. Now you never have to worry about your glasses slipping out and hitting the ground again. Visually superior core clarity lens enhances natural colors while providing ultra crisp clarity. High-grade polarizer directly fused to lens core offers superior glare reduction. Light transmission 10.1%. UV 400 sun protection. Scratch proof, smudge resistant, and anti-reflective properties via electron beam fusion. Frame and lens constructed using imported Swiss TR90 thermoplastic, incredibly durable, flexible, and lightweight. Core frames and hinges are beefier and stronger than most high-end brands. Travel tube protects glasses from the elements. Remove lid and it fits in most standard cup holders for fast, easy storage. Magnetic visor strip attaches to your car visors for convenient overhead storage. Click and go. Safe to wear. Patented smart magnets direct 100% of the magnetic field outward, away from your body and head. Lens impact rating ANSI ASQCZ 1.4-2003 includes 5/8 steel ball, a steel ball dropped from 50 foot with no fractures. 30-day money back guarantee, 1-year limited warranty against manufacturer defect. So everything I just read is these are no joke. These glasses they baked these, I think, at 400 degrees in an oven, and they were fine. They ran, they dropped stuff on them. They crushed them with a steel ball, and they held up. I mean, the clarity of these lenses, just nothing like I've ever seen in any sunglasses. And I'm being totally honest with you guys. You would think the bottoms of those being real big, they would be uncomfortable, but they're not. They're very, very comfortable on the face. The nose piece, I've actually been using them quite a bit at work, and we work right next to the river, and we get those glares off the top of the river up into our faces, and these are just amazing sunglasses. And like I said, they're coming out with a tactical pair, I think in a couple months, which I'm hopeful to get to review those as well. But like I said, these are called Reckless. Very, very well built sunglasses. If you guys are into sunglasses, I have a series up on my channel. These by far are built better than anything I've ever wore on my face as far as sunglasses wise. I feel I can drop these on the ground and it'd be fine. So definitely, if you guys work outside in the environment or in an industrial type place, these are definitely the way to go. I'd like to thank Core for sending these out for review, as well as the belt buckle. Very, very sharp looking belt buckle. Guys, I'll leave everything in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for the continued support. Till the next review, peace.